All right, big day for the market. The Sensex has hit an all-time high and reclaimed its all-time high, territory. The distance to the top for the Nifty is less than 26 points. So we're virtually at those levels. But let's take a bit of a breather from equities and talk about the commodity markets now. Manisha Gupta is with us. Manisha, what's the one commodity that you're looking at today?
Sonia, I'm looking at the metal space, and that doesn't seem to be participating in this rally today because we've seen overnight going for a profit-taking for many of these metals. The China rate cut at 10 basis points is much lesser than what the street was anticipating, and is the reason you've seen nearly 2% of decline come in for the zinc prices. Almost all metals, including steel, copper, aluminum, fell between 1 to 2%. In last 1 month, we've seen the zinc prices decline by 2.5%, and in last 1 year, 34% of a decline is what we are working with. I'm focusing on zinc because this is very close to its cost of production now. So an all-time high of last year at $4,896 per ton is what we hit. Last month was a 3-year lows at $2,200. Currently, we are trading below $2,400 right now. But the point I'm trying to make here is that the cost of production for zinc is at around $2,200. So we're not too far away from those kind of levels. And zinc clearly has been an underperformer within the metal space. We have seen the sharpest of declines come in for this one. The reason being that you have weak demand, the rising smelter supply. There is weak demand for steel as well. So the galvanizing industry also has seen a big sharp decline there. And that's weighing onto the markets. And then the weak mine profitability also has led to lower production there, especially when it comes to mines. There are various reports on how minings are cutting their production, putting it on maintenance, halting overall production as well. And a couple of these reports clearly are coming in from the Swedish producer Boliden, who's put their Irish operation on hold since June 13th. That is when we saw the zinc prices gain up by 5%, but that was very short-lived. The recent closure comes in for Tara zinc mine in Ireland as its cash flow has turned into negative. And these are just a couple of the events that I am mentioning because these numbers are on the bigger side. But there are a lot of mines which are actually getting shut down right now. This is what we've seen in sense of global treatment charges. This is the price that mines pay to smelters to convert their concentrate to refined zinc. And this price has been increasing over the time. So this clearly has turned not profitable for the mines as well. And is the reason you have seen more raw material, more concentrated zinc than the refined zinc there. The China, in the meanwhile, seems to be stocking up and they are hoarding in more than they really want. So when you look at the production for refined zinc, we've seen 13% of increase in this year. And this is over and above 21% of an increase that we've seen in the first 4 months also. When you look at the LME contracts as well, here also the short positions have continued to grow. 10,000 contracts at shorts right now. So there are new shorts being built up. Even as the commodity is oversold, the momentum still on the weaker side.
All right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that's commodities in focus. Now, Prime Minister